some common concentration units just so we can, be confident that we can be analytical in the way we describe water. Some common concentration units are first percentage. And we've seen these units before when we were talking about the mixture that is air and how we defined air by its components. Now the same thing is going to happen here with water. Percent is sometimes it's mass to mass percent. Parts of mass of the component per 100 grams. So that's mass percent. And sometimes it's mass volume percent. It just depends on the application. So mass or mass volume. And when we talk mass, we're talking about grams of some component of your mixture per 100 grams of the total mixture. And for the mass volume, it's the grams of whatever component you're talking about, per 100 milliliters of the mixture. And the reason why we can go pretty easily from 100 grams to 100 milliliters is these solutions that we're talking about are water solutions, aqueous solutions, and at normal temperature and pressure, the density of water is 1 gram per milliliter. And so that what that means is 1 milliliter of water weighs 1 gram. 1 gram of water takes up 1 milliliter of space. So these two would be very, very similar. Okay. Another common unit used, now the percent unit is used when you have a high concentration of whatever you're talking about. Because remember, per 100. The milligram per liter unit is used when we have smaller quantities of solutes within the solvent. And this means a milligram of the component per liter of the solution. Okay, and this measurement is on the order of parts per million. Okay, ppm, remember, is parts per million, and it's similar to milligrams per liter of solution when you are talking about an aqueous solution. Okay, we'll look at more details why that's the case in a minute. And of course, parts per billion we've seen before, and that's parts per billion. And that's on the order, we'll see later, on the order of micrograms per liter. Okay, FYI. And then the last one that may or may not be new is molarity. And that is the most common concentration unit used in chemistry. And that unit is moles of whatever you're talking about, the solutes per liter of solution. Okay? So those are some common units. We'll take a look at each one of them in turn throughout the course of this lecture.